Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases. On the application of Hacoo, you will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Hacoo and you will click in this window. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on or restart your Wi-Fi again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.